Hi friends, welcome to NaxHack. In this video, we are going to see some basic application of lookup function. So we are going to use VLOOKUP with match, HLOOKUP with match, and index with match. So the question is, create a drop down of the product category and channel in the highlighted cell and find corresponding values in the provided value column. We have a table in which we have channel and category. We have to create drop down for channel and category in these two cells and find values corresponding to the category and channel using lookup functions. So the first step is to create dropdown. Select this cell category, go to data and click on data validation, then go to list, provide the source for category, click OK. Again go to channel, select data validation, go to list, and for source select from A to F. So we have drop down ready for category and channel. Simply copy and paste this here. So we have drop down ready for all these three tables. The second step is to get the value corresponding to this category and channel from this table. So we will use VLOOKUP here. The first parameter is lookup value. We have to search from left to right. That means the first category will be the parameter. So we will give category as lookup value, then freeze this. Then table array will be the whole table. Freeze this again. Then in column index number, we have to provide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 as a column index number. But here the case is dynamic. We can't give 1, 2, 3 as column number. We have to provide some other way the column index number. So we will use match and the lookup value will be this. Freeze this. What will be the lookup array for channel? This complete array. Freeze this again. The lookup, the match condition will be exact because we don't want to find the approximate match. We want to find exact match. Then again, parameter for range lookup will be exact match for VLOOKUP also. So for silver and channel C, silver and channel C, we are getting value from channel B, not C. Why? Because we have started our table array from here, from this column 1, but for channel we have started from column number 2. That's why it has been shifted with 1 position. To rectify this, we will go to match and instead of E to J, we will give D to J. Now it is fine. For channel C and category silver, we have 8159. C for silver and C, we have 8159. Similarly, if we select channel D, we have 9608 this value. So make it C because we have to check this result with HLOOKUP and index match also. Next one is HLOOKUP. In HLOOKUP, we have to search from top to bottom. So the first row will be the lookup value. In the first row, here is channel. So we will give this as lookup value and table array. Table array will be complete table. Row index number. Row index number means the first row, second row, third row, fourth row, or fifth row. How we are going to provide dynamic row number. So again we will use match here. Lookup value will be this category. Lookup array will be again this table. See, here we have not selected from branch. Instead, we have selected from category to rectify the mistake what we have done in the earlier. Comma, then exact match. Again for HLOOKUP, we will use exact match and close and enter. So we have 8159 here also, 8159 here also. Okay, let's format this. So in both we have a comma separator for 1000. In the third case, we want to find the same value using index and match. So we will use index array, row number and column number. Simply we want to give these three parameters. So the array will be complete array. Reach this cell or array, then comma. What will be the row number? Again for row number we will use match here. This category column will be the row column and this channel will be the column. So lookup value will be category. Then lookup array will be from bronze to platinum. And match type will be exact. Comma. Now we have to provide column number. Again for column number we have to provide dynamic column number because here column number is not fixed. So we will use match again. Then lookup value. Then comma. Then provide the list of channel. Freeze this array. Comma. What will the lookup exact match, comma, or sorry, bracket close, and again bracket close for the index. Press enter. So we have 8159 in all the three cells. Format this also. So we have for silver category, gold category for gold, and for gold. So the formula is working perfectly without any error. In the last, we have to highlight the values in green if it is greater than 12,000, yellow if it is in between 12,000 and 8,000, and red if it is less than 8,000. So we have to use the conditional formatting here. So select these three cells at once, go to conditional formatting. Okay. Highlight the cell rules, go to greater than, provide here 12,000. So if the value will be greater than 12,000, I want it to be highlighted in green color. The second case is in between 8,000 and 12,000. So again, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule and use between. What will be the values? 8,000 and 12,000. If it is in between these two values, I want it to be highlighted in yellow color. Next, if it is less than 8,000, I want it to be highlighted in red color. So let's see. 12,000 is greater than 12,000 is bronze F. So click on bronze and CD. It is green color. Next one is yellow color. It is fine. Then third one for red, we want to it be less than 8,000. So here any value is less than 8,000. No. So let's make one value as 2,000. So bronze and A will be our value. Bronze in category A. See, we have 2,000 in red color, between 8,000 and 12,000 yellow color, and greater than 12,000 green color. So this complete our video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.